Hello kids, how are you all? Yes, all of it. Have you eaten something? Snacks. Yes, I had. You too had, I feel, right? Yes. Today again I came back to teach you and to do some activity. For that I have brought a girl which we have met in previous class. Okay, shall I call her? Before starting the lesson or the session, I would like to call your friend Chinnu. Okay, shall I call her? We'll do an activity. Yes, come Chinnu. Come to me. Yes, see here. Chinnu has come. Okay, now she'll sit here. She'll do some activity for you. Sit here. Come, sit here. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. Now you have to give me 5 plates. How many plates? 5 plates. Okay. One by one. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Yes. How many plates Chinnu has given to me? How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will you clap to Chinnu? Yes. Now the next activity, Chinnu will count the leaves. How many? 6 leaves. How many? 6. Give me one by one. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. How many leaves she has taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So shall we clap? Shall we clap? Yes, good girl. And the other thing, see here. What am I having here? Now you have to give me 4. How many? How many? 4. Give me one by one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many Chinnu has given? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct, no? Yes, she has done proper. Now, the last one, I am having one thing here which helps to drink the juice. Like this. Correct, no?
Okay.
How do we drink the juice? Yes. Now, what she will do, tell me? She'll give me how many? 3. Okay. 1 straw. 2 straw. 3. How many straws she has given? 3. Correct, no? Or wrong? Correct. So, very good for Chinnu. Yes, yes. Now, activity is completed. So, again we have to learn about how to draw the pictures and how to count the numbers. Okay? Yes. You go and sit there. Okay children, we have completed the beautiful 4 activities with you. Am I right? So, the next thing is to learn with me. Are you excited? Yes. Now, I will draw some objects in the blackboard. What you have to be done here? You have to count the numbers. Okay? For that, at the end, I will call your friend to count the numbers. But when she counts the numbers, you have to count the numbers. Okay. Shall we begin? Let's start. Yes. So here 1. Here I am going to draw some objects or some pictures for my favorite children. If you have drawing book or if you have any other book, you can draw a picture with me. Now I am going to draw a star here. Star. See here, one by one I am going to draw the beautiful stars for you. And here again now this one SS3 SS3 here to here we have to join, here to here and here to here. It becomes dog, a small dog, puppy. Okay, 1 SS3 SS3 here to here it comes, here, 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 here and here. It is eating something here. And other one here I'll draw for you. Okay, this one is your favorite chocolate, correct? No? Yes. I am going to write a chocolate for you. Okay. Now, what my kids should do here? Here, my favorite children, you are hearing at me, correct? You are seeing or you are watching the classes of mine. After that, now you just look at the board here. Here so many objects or so many pictures I have drawn to you, so that you have to count with us one by one. Okay, but don't be hurry, be relaxed and we'll do together. Okay, yes. So for this activity I need a girl here. She'll help me to count the numbers. Before calling her, one object I am going to be counted here. Stay with me, don't go anywhere. See here, what is this? This is a stick. What is this? This is a stick. Now with the help of this stick we are going to count the objects or count the pictures. Shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Shall we count again? How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pictures we have got? 6 numbers. Okay. Yes. Now again. Here, 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 here and here. There are 5 different lines are there. Correct? So we have to complete the counting of these 5 lines. Shall we start from the second one? Okay. I'll call Chinnu here. She'll help you. Okay, Chinnu, come here. Yes, see here. See here, Chinnu came. Okay, have this stick. Okay, you have to show them one by one. Okay, stand like this. One. You only.
3,
Uh.
4.
See them first. See them. And do. Loudly. Your voice should be loudly. 1. Show them. Show them. 1.
1, 2,
Uh,
3,
uh.
4.
How many she has shown you?
4.
4. Correct? Is she correct? Yes, good. So, how many? 4 there are. Okay. Now, again next one there is which she is going to be counted here. That later we'll write. Okay? Yes. Now, count here. One by one count here. In the help of stick, you have to show them.
1,
1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Is she right?
Yes, it's 5 uncle.
5 only?
Yes.
Again you count. Count again.
This one.
Count.
1,
Mm,
2,
mm,
3,
mm,
4.
mm. 5.
Yay!
Yes, she has counted number 5. Shall we write 5 here? Yes. Do you write 5 here? Chinnu, do you write number 5 here? Yes, write number 5 here. Here, number?
1,
No, 5. 5 stars are there. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, children are clapping you. Correct? Yes, come again. Now, Chinnu is having a stick. Okay? Take this and Chinnu will see at you. Correct, no? Children are seeing at you. See there? Show them. No. This one. This one. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Can you hear at her? No. No, it seems. They do not hear at you.
1,
Loudly. Loudly. 1.
1,
2.
2, 3.
How many there are? 3. Correct? Is it correct? Number 3? Yes? Right here. Yes, come here. Write number 3. Write number 3 here. Yes. See children, Chinnu is very good, right? Yes. Now, what Chinnu will do? She will count this. What are these, Chinnu? What are these?
1.
These are puppies. Puppies means what? Small?
Doggy.
Yes, small dogs, correct? She'll count now. Count here. 1.
2.
How many puppies are there? Do you like puppy? Yes?
1, 2.
Very good. Yes? Yes, right here. Number 2.
2.
Yes. See, Chinnu has written number 2 there. And last one is pending. Tell me what? Tell me what, Chinnu? One is pending that you did not count. Which one? That you have written. Wrote no number 2.
2.
Oh, you wrote. Which is pending? Tell me. See the board properly. Ah, very good. Which is pending? This is pending. Correct. What is this?
Chocolate.
Yummy. What is that? Chocolate. Do you like chocolate to eat?
Yes.
Do you like?
Yes.
You love it? Yes. Ah, yes. See? Here, chocolate there is. So, how many chocolates are there? Chinnu, show how many chocolates are there?
One.
Only one
Yes.
or two? Not there, no? Yes, only one chocolate. How can Chinnu will write now? Chinnu can't write, so Chinnu will write here one. Write one. Ah, see? Chinnu has written one. So how many chocolates are there? Only one chocolate. Correct? So this one chocolate I'll give to Chinnu to eat. Okay? Yes? Yes. Now go Chinnu. You go and sit there. I'll call you later. Ah, one. Very good. Yes. You clap to her. Very good. Yes. Now already what we did, we have learned a lot of number till number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's continue for the other numbers 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Yes. Now I am going to write the beautiful number 7. See here, number big 7 I'll write. See, it is 7. Now, how to write number 7? Are you getting confused or you will feel difficulty to write? Don't worry, when I am here. Here, sleeping line and this one. What is this? Slanting line. Okay. Yes. Again, here, 7, sleeping line and slanting line. What you have to do? Here, first you have to trace this sleeping line and slanting line. Again, sleeping line and slanting line. Again, beautifully and slowly you have to write 7, sleeping line and slanting line. Again, see here like this. If you are not able to draw the beautiful number 7, there is an idea which helps you to write properly. Here, 1, 2, 3 dots. Here, 1 dot I'll put, another dot I'll put, and again there is a dot for you. So here, kids, you have to join the dots like this. Okay? If you will feel difficulty to write number 7, you will get a book. Okay? Maths numbers book you will get. In that you will get like this dots. These dots you have to be joined. For example, like this and like this, 7. Okay? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, you have to join this 7. You have to join like this. So, if you buy number book, you will get these tracing lines or tracing numbers. For example, like dots here. Okay. So, this is what we have written. Number 7 here. Sleeping line and slanting line. Sleeping line and slanting line. Again, sleeping line and slanting line. This is what? Number 7. When it comes after 6, it comes. When it comes after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Have you understood? Yes. You have to buy a maths square book or a trace book. In that, you have to be done or you have to be practiced very well so that our children are able to write the beautiful number 7 very easily. So, after completing 7, the one number is waiting for us. Which is that? What kind of number? After 7 comes number 8. Okay. What comes? After 7, it comes number 8. See here. Now, I'll write number 8. Big 8 so that it should be visible for everyone. Okay, no? Big 8. How to write a big 8? Are you getting hesitation? No, it's very easier. How? I will tell you a beautiful idea for you. See here. Here, what is this? One curve and other one curve. After that, you have to join this. Now, it became number 8. Okay. See here, one curve. After that, down another one curve. And later, after writing two curves, you have to join this. So, you will get number 8. And here some of my kids used to write like this. For example, 0, 1 0 like this and another 0. See? But actually the method is wrong here. We should not write like this. It is very easier. Ma'am, we are not able to write like this. So, what we will do? We will write like this. 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Over 8. But it looks like exact 8 here. But the way of writing is exactly wrong here. So, kids, you don't write like this. Instead of this, you have to write like this. The way of writing should be proper. Okay. One curve and another curve and later should be joined. And again one curve, other curve and again it has to be joined at the top of the curve. Now, if you feel it's very difficult for you, you people are not able to write in your beautiful hand, don't worry. You tell to your mother to write a big 8 like this. When she writes a big 8 for you, you have to trace this or you have to write like this. See? Like this slowly. Don't be hurry. Slowly you write. Like this. Slowly it has to go down, 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 up, 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 again up, 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 up. Okay, again I'll show you how to write so that you have to practice at home. Slowly, at least minimum 10 times. If you write or if you trace number 8, you can write very properly. See here, like this, slowly it should go down, slowly it should go down, slowly it should go down, slowly. Minimum, how many page you have to be written? Minimum 1 page you have to write it beautifully. Here down, after up, 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 up. So it became exact what number? Number 8. It becomes exact number 8 for you. So in today's class we have learned the remained. There are other numbers but only 2 numbers we have learned. Those are 7 and 8. So now what we'll do? I would like to teach you, you would like to hear at me, but it doesn't listen at us, correct? The time up. So we will meet the next class of having more fun, more activity with me. Okay? Yes, take care. We'll see you in next class.